Hey everybody, so today in this video I'm going to explain the proper way to install a set of long tube headers on a Trailblazer SS. Now there's a lot of fake news out there that's going to tell you you need to remove everything out of the engine bay, you have to disconnect some cross members underneath, disconnect the motor mounts, jack up the engine, actually pull out the CV shafts that drive the front wheels because the axle goes through the oil pan on these things because they're ridiculous. I'm here to tell you that's horseshit. All right. Now, this is a life hack I learned, and it may not work for you, but it absolutely worked for me. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and get yourself a Sawzall and then just cut the entire goddamn vehicle off. You would not believe the amount of access you'll get to install your brand new, made to order, custom set of American racing headers. Sure, you might get a few questions, a few naysayers, but all you have to do is point them to me, and I will fill them full of more useless information.